Hello, my name is Riley, and I'm going to show you how to braid your hair. So now if you're little and you're a girl, then you can take all of your hair, even when it's long. If you're a mom, then you can you have to take half of your hair. So I'm a little, and you have to take all of your hair, and you take 3 pieces. This show is just in case if you forget your braids. So for yourself, you have to go under, rhymes with underwear, and I can't do it right now because my hands are messy. So if you're doing on someone else's, then you have to go over, overwear, yeah. So you have to do the same thing when you're an adult and have half hair. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.
That's it.